CapCut new AI tool is finally here again for everybody. So now you can create AI talking photo like this with just simple clicks. So we are going to use Pippit. If you never heard about Pippit, this is brand new AI marketing tool powered by CapCut. You can create content like marketing video, avatar video, poster, product photo. But now let's focus on AI talking photo. Go to Pippit or click the link description below. You can sign up for free, and right now this features is absolutely free to try. So just go to AI talking photo and upload your image. This time I use an image that generated with AI. Then your image will automatically crop to 9:16, so you just reposition. After that, click this checkbox to confirm and click next. Now you just write the script, what would the character say. And we will choose the voiceover, so you can change the language. We have several languages that you can use, and I select English. For the voice character, we have different types of style and place of the voice. So I select this one and save. Then you can show the animated caption or not. This time I select my caption style and hit export. Then you can change the name, watermark, resolution, etc. Click on download. Now we wait. You can check the progress in the taskbar. Once you finish, click download again to save to your library. And here we go.
We've been trying out Pippit's talking photo feature for a few days and it's been great. Let me know what you think.
You can do it effortlessly. Pippit makes it easy to create lifelike talking photos that truly engage.
You can see here the movement and everything look natural. Just look at how the character speak. The way she speak is perfectly matched with the words I write. This is another example, so I'm gonna try with any character like anime, animation cartoon style. Just let's see how cool is this.
Once there was a race going on. A tortoise and a hare participated when the hare started to run faster.
After a while, the hare stopped near a tree and looked back. He couldn't find the tortoise anywhere near him.
He thought that the tortoise was lagging, so he started to sleep under the tree. When he woke up, he couldn't see the tortoise.
He started to run again towards the final point, but when he got there, he was surprised.
The race was already finished. The tortoise has reached there before him. The tortoise has won the game, even if he was the slowest one.
No matter what image style you have, and no matter what camera angle, this is still work really good. After that, you can use this media as an entertainment video, educational clip, and marketing content. Just click the link below to try it right now, and use promo code below for free month and 40% off discount on subscription. I hope you found this video useful in some way. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.